Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with the Kems. I'm Stefan, and today we're putting a twist on a takeout classic, chicken teriyaki rice bowls served with veggies sauteed in miso butter. Teriyaki sauce is versatile and goes well with all different kinds of proteins, and you can store it in the fridge for easy weeknight meals. We're gonna cook this right over cast iron griddle, give it those grill marks, and trust me, you're gonna love it. Let's begin. So first we're gonna marinate the chicken. I'm adding some salt, fresh cracked pepper, granulated garlic, and some vegetable oil. I'm using boneless and skinless chicken thighs because there's more flavor and fat. Also, it tends to stay more moist and juicy during the cook. Massage the chicken and marinate for a minimum of 30 minutes and up to overnight. Let's prep the vegetables for the stir fry. I have some baby portobello mushrooms. I'm giving them a quick wipe with a slightly damp paper towel. The reason we are not submerging or running the mushrooms underwater is because the shrooms soak up too much water and that affects the cook. Quarter the mushrooms. For the carrots, just peel and cut thin at a bias. This will add color. I have some beautiful snow peas. First peel the end. This part is very fibrous and does not get tender during cooking. Cut at a bias into smaller pieces, then set aside for later. Time to work on the sauce. We love our garlic here, so I'm starting off with a couple cloves of garlic. Give it a nice smash and peel. Then get a 2 to 3 inch piece of ginger, unpeel, slice, then place into a small sauce pot. The garlic and ginger will infuse and steep into the teriyaki sauce. Add some low sodium soy sauce, cooking sake, sweet mirin, and granulated sugar. This is going on a medium-low heat. Bring to a gentle simmer until the sugar is dissolved. This should take about 5 minutes. Stir in a cornstarch slurry to help thicken and bring the sauce together. Let it go for about another minute or two until the sauce is nice and thick. Turn off the heat and set aside for later. This can be done and refrigerated ahead of time. For the vegetables, grab a saute pan and swirl in some vegetable oil on medium-high heat. Start off with the mushrooms and give it a couple tosses before adding the carrots in. The mushrooms concentrate in flavor as it cooks out. The carrots should only take about 2 to 3 minutes, not too long, so you still get that crunch. Finally, add in the snow peas and toss a couple more times. We're going to add some sake and mirin, then a little bit of organic white miso paste and some butter. Stir in the miso and the butter and cut the heat. The residual heat from the pan should be enough to emulsify the sauce and coat the veggies. Time to grill up the chicken. I'm using a cast iron grill pan on high heat indoors, but you can definitely do it outside on the grill. Place the chicken and allow to cook for 6 to 7 minutes. The oil from the marinade should be enough to prevent the chicken from sticking. Flip once and allow to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes or until the internal is at 165 degrees Fahrenheit and glaze with the sauce. Turn the heat down when you're glazing and turn off completely after a minute. Remove the chicken, let it rest, then slice. This is not your typical teriyaki bowl plate-up. We're using a nice round plate with a mound of steamed rice, topped off with teriyaki chicken, then our veggies with miso butter all around. Thinly sliced green scallions for garnish, then some toasted sesame seeds right on top, and finally more of that teriyaki sauce draping over the chicken. Let's give it a taste. Make sure to get the miso butter vegetables in every bite because it's so good. Chicken teriyaki is so underrated and so simple to make. Our sauce is not too sweet or salty. It doesn't taste artificial, and when you're on a time crunch, you can have it on hand for future meals. The marriage between the veggies and the miso butter sauce works so well. It's like a flavor symphony, like an explosion of fireworks on your taste buds. Well, anyways, thank you for checking out our channel. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe so you can catch our videos every week. Follow us on our socials at Cooking Kems. We look forward to seeing you on the next video.